Hello students, today in maths we will start new topic, that is, let us learn subtraction. This is Yash, this is Rama. Yash had 3 jamuns, 1, 2, 3. Now he gave 2 jamuns to Rama. See, in this picture Yash has gave 2 jamuns to Rama. How many jamuns does he have now? From 3 jamuns, Yash gave 2 jamuns to Rama. So how many jamuns does have Yash now? 1. See, here he has 3 jamuns. 1, 2, 3. He gave 2 jamuns to Rama. So we will cancel 1 and 2 jamun. So he have now 1 jamun. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now see this picture. Here in this picture, total how many frogs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 5. 5 frogs were on a river bank. One frog jumped into water. Count how many frogs are on the river bank now. From 5 frogs, one frog jumped into water. Now how many frogs are remain? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 5 minus 1. 5 frogs were there, minus 1. One frog jumped into water. So how many frogs will be there on the river bank? 4. So your answer will be 4. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Next picture. Here in this picture, count the eggs. 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4th one. From these 4 eggs, one egg broke. So how many eggs remain? 1, 2, 3. So here we can write 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Here in this picture, how many stones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 stones are there. Now by the hit of the ball, how many stones fall off? 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4 is equals to how many stones remain? 1, 2, 3. Now see this picture. Here this boy having how many balloons all together? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 balloons are there. From these 13 balloons, how many balloons blow away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8 is equals to how many balloons are there in his hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Observe the picture and fill in the boxes. Here 3 smiley faces are there. 1, 2, 3. So in this box write 3. From these 3 we will minus 1, cancel 1. So the answer will be 2. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 stars are there. From these 4 stars we will cancel 2. 1, 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to how many remains? 1, 2. Here 5 triangles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From these 5 triangles we cancel 2. 1, 2. How many remains? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 squares are there. 1, 2, 3. From these 3 we cancel 2. Minus 2. Write 3 minus 2. The answer is 1. Now the story of laddus. This is very interesting story. Mother made 6 laddus and kept them in a jar. Then she went to the market to buy vegetables. When Rama came home from school, she saw the laddus. The laddus were very tempting. Rama ate 2 laddus. When mother came home, she saw 4 laddus in it. Mother made total 6 laddus. From these 6 laddus, Rama ate 2 laddus. Rama ने 2 laddus खा लिए. Mother, Rama, did you eat 2 laddus? Rama, I ate 1 laddu, mother. Mother, Rama, are you telling me truth? Rama, mother, I like the laddu very much, so I ate 1 more laddu. Mother, very good. I am happy that you spoke the truth. Now take 1 more laddu for you. Give 1 laddu to your father, 1 laddu to your grandmother, and I will eat this one. Did you like the story? Now tell us. Here, mother made 6 laddus. From these 6 laddus, 2 laddus Rama already ate. From 6, Rama ate 2 laddus. So we will minus 2. So how many laddus will remain in the jar? 4. From these 4 laddus, mother gave 1 more laddu to Rama, 1 laddu to Rama, 1 laddu for her father, 1 laddu for grandmother, and 1 laddu for mother. So all laddus over. How many laddus did mother kept in the jar? 6 laddus. How many laddus did Rama eat? 2 laddus. How many laddus did mother give to Rama as an award for telling the truth? 1 laddu. How many laddus did Rama give in all her father and grandmother? 2 laddus. How many laddus did mother take for herself? 1. How many laddus were left in the jar at the end? 0. 5 minus 3 is equals to, we will count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will draw 5 lines. Minus 3. So cancel 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. How many lines remain? 1, 2. Here 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. 8 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 2. Cancel 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Six minus which number? So we will get the answer 1. 6 minus 5. So we will get 1. 7 minus 3 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus dash is equals to 0. So 9 is equals to 9. 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. Here 4 dash minus dash is equals to 8. From which number we will minus which number? So we will get the answer 8. Here we will write 1, 2, 12 minus 4. So the answer will be 8. Read and solve. Nagma had 5 berries. She gave 3 berries to Salma. How many berries are left with Nagma now? Nagma has 5 berries. She gave 3 to Salma. So the answer will be 2 berries left with Nagma. A fruit basket contained 9 custard apples. My brother distributed 6 of them to his friends. Find the number of custard apples remaining in the basket. Total we are having 9 custard apples. From that 6 apple distributed in the friend. So 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. There were 3 pencils with Samira. She gave 1 pencil to her friend. How many pencils are left with Samira now? Pencils Samira had 3. Pencil gave to her friend 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. There were 4 laddus in a jar. Balbir ate one of them. How many laddus are there in the jar now? 4 laddus in the jar. Balbir ate 1. minus 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Do the following subtraction. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. This calculation you will write in your textbook. Draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 2. Cancel 2 lines. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the answer. 8 minus 8, 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Now these two lines you will solve with the help of your parents.